Morning student, welcome back to Math for class 12. So today's topic of 12.2 exercise of word problem type questions. LPP on word type question as a dietitian, transportation and manufacturing type questions. So question number 1. You can read also question in NCERT questions. Reshma, this is a mixture of two type of the foods P and Q. Vitamin A. Vitamins contain a mixture of at least 8 unit of vitamin A and 11 unit of B, and P contain of the 60 rupees per kg and cost 80 rupees per kg food, and food P contain a 3 units of vitamin A, a 5 unit vitamin B, and food Q vitamin A 4 unit and 2 unit of vitamin B, and determine the minimum cost of the mixture. So let the cost of P mixture, P food mixture is Rs X rupees and food Q is Y rupees. Clear? So according to question, make a table. Okay, make a table. First is types question. Type of food. Type of food. This type of food. Two type of food, P and Q. This rate X and this Y rupees. Okay, X and Y, and required. And this item, this is mixtures. So this mixture is vitamin A and vitamin B, right? Have two vitamins. And P mixtures, vitamin A at least of the 8 unit of vitamin A, 11 unit of vitamin B. Find P cost consists 60 rupees, okay, and 80 rupees. Find P contain 3 unit of vitamin A and vitamin B 5 unit. P food is also clear. And then food Q contain 4 unit vitamin A and 2 unit vitamin B. Determine this. Okay, this at least means greater than. This is a minimum value. At least 8 unit vitamin A and 11 unit vitamin B, right? It's quite clear. And find minimum cost of Z, right? Optimal solution Z, that is P production. So P production 60 rupees per, so 60 X and this production 80 rupees, rate is 80 rupees. This rate is clear, okay? Y wala 80 rupees, right? So according this table, find the equation. Here constraints, subject to constraints, 3x 4 plus 4y is greater than equal to 8, 5x plus 2y is greater than 11, and minimum z is equal to 60x plus 80y. Okay, now and change in this question, change to exercise 12.1. so find this 12.1 type questions. So 3x plus 4y, draw a line in the equal to 0, equal to constant. Okay, must be equal to 8. Now let, and 5x plus 2y equal to 11, and solve this. So make a table. x and y have two solution only. This if x equal to 0 is 0 point, y 4y equal to 8 is 2, and in y equal to 0, y equal to 0 3, this 8y 3, right? And second table you can make this second table. See in this topic, if directly x equal to 0 0 0 put the y equal to 11y2 11y2, and y equal to 0 so 11y5, this is 11y5, and draw the graph. This simple, x and y, this is origin, maximum 8y3, 3 2 2 3, and 5 2 okay. The maximum 1 2 and 3 points, 1 2 and 3 on x-axis. On y-axis 11y2, this 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? And draw x this 0 2, and 8y3 something, 3 2s are 6, and 3 6 are 18, the 2.6 something. So this part middle, and middle say this produce, okay. This is a 2.6, all this join. This is line A first, okay. Now the second, and second 0 11y2 5.5, this is equal to, yeah, here this is a 5.5, and this 11y5 to a 2.2, so this is a, this nearest to 2.2, right? And join. This is a second equation. This greater than 8 and greater than 11 means greater than of this line, right? This line, and this is also greater. The maximum, this is a, this area shaded, and that greater than of this side at turn, okay. This side, this is a model. So this point, and this point A, this point B, and this is point C. So make a second table. Second table means corner point, and minimum Z equal to 60x plus 80y. Solution and result, okay. So corner point A have already direct to this. This is a second equation, 11y2, this 0 comma 11y2, okay. And B solve here, and C this given is also, and this first equation, this 8y3 comma 0, and solve here. 3x plus 4y equal to 8, and 5x plus 2y equal to 11. So this is multiply by 2, 3x plus 4y equal to 8, 10x plus 4y equal to 22, subtract, this cut, minus 7x equal to minus 14, this x equal to 2, x equal to 2, then y equal to, putting in this equation, and 2 6 6 4 2 2 4y2 2y4, then y equal to 1y2, x equal to 2, y equal to 1y2. Find intersect point, okay. This point are corner point, and find solution, feasible solution. This feasible solution z equal to 60 into 0 plus 8 into 11y2, this must be equal to 0, this 8 to 4, and this 0, and this is also 80, okay. 40 40 11 440, and z equal to, this is 80, okay. And 60 multiply 2 plus 80 multiply 1 upon 2 equal to 120 plus 40, this is also 160, and z equal to 60 multiply 8 by 3 plus 80 multiply 0, this is 0, 3, 2 is 160. Okay, this is a 160 axis is here, and 140. Find minimum value. The minimum value, this is a minimum value. Okay, 160 160 minimum value are same. So this value point, corner point B and C, this is a maximum. So here the minimum cost of the mixture at B point 2, 1 by 2 and C 8 by 3, 0 is 160 is your rupees. 160 rupees is your answer. Okay, this type question solved by this is a verb count. This question will be coming in the board examination, 6 marks. No low, only 6 marks, this type question. Okay, so next question number 5. Board are most important question. 5 question number 5. A factory manufacturing of the screws, 2 types of the screw A and B. Each type of the screw of them require of the 2 machines, automatic machine, and this is are also read in this when one find out these questions. Okay, so next point. This say let and the production 4 unit of automatic, and then this and find screw B and the point of profit of the 10 rupees, and how many packages of the this one let number of packages production by any day over package owner production day in the maximum automatic machine है ना, by A, by package of A, screw A, and is X rupees, X package, sorry, not B, X, and B screw type Y package, right? X and Y is a table type of screw, A type and B type, make table, and required, and this corner point, this is production yani machines, A production X, and this packet Y, and required. So machine, automatic machine, and handwritten, operated machine, have 2 type machine. Okay, so automatic, handwritten, operated, 4 unit of automatic, 4 and 4 minute this or 6 minute hand operator of Y machine manufacturing package of the machine screw A, and will be the 6 minute Y and 3 minute and of hand operated machine of type screw B, and each of the machine is the available of the at most 4 hour. This is at most means less than equal 4 hour, or this is also most equal 4 hour each. As given in this question, at most each machine is available for at most 4 hours in a day. In 1 day में 4 hour machine automatic and 4 hour machine है handle to and wood. And can we package of the screw of the 7 and rupees 7 cost A and B 10. Z equal to 7 rupees and 8 rupees of the cost. Clear? So according to question, subject to constraints. Clear? Subject to constraints, 4x plus 6y is less than equal to 4 hours. This is hours. Hour change, this is a minute. Hour change to minute. 60 minute, right? And 6x plus 3y is less than equal to 4 multiply 60 minutes. And change this equation. And z equal to 7x plus 8y, right? So find the simplest for subject. Now solve. 4 and this 2 is common, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 120. And this next equation, and this 3 common, 2x plus y equal to 3, 280. Okay, 3 is common, 3 divided by 60, 3 2s are 2, 20, 20, 40, 40. This is one equation and this 2 equation, and solve. X and y have 2 solution. If x equal to 0, y equal to 120 by 3, 40, and y equal to 0 and this 60. This is the equation, this table of the equation second equation, and x equal to 0, y equal to 80, and y equal to 0, this is 40, and draw this graph of the equation. Okay, and there is pen. Draw the graph. Highest value x60 and y80 have taken 20, x 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 on y-axis, and x-axis 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60 and 80. Okay, and draw this graph. First equation 40, 60, 40 and then plus 2 equal to 60. Okay, 40 x 60, 80, 40. 80, 40, draw the line. Okay, this is second equation. Now this is a first equation. This equation first or this equation second, but less than, right? Is less than 4 hour, less than 4 hour. So less than condition inside. This line is inside and this side. Okay, or this line inside of the x-axis, xy greater than 0, xy greater than equal to 0. This is a fixed value lie in first quadrant. Okay, less than. Okay, let's decide this, and this is the more shaded area, this area. Okay, so this point A, point B, this point C, corner point, here, corner point Z, this must be equal to 7 8y, 7x 8y. Okay, and result, right? The corner point A is this, the 40, x 40 comma 0, B, and find then after solution, and then C equal to 0 comma 40. This is a maximum point, corner point. Solve this equation. X plus 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y equal to 120, 2x plus y equal to 80. Okay, solve. And this subtract, cut, 3 minus 2 2y, this 30y 40, y equal to 20, y equal to 20, then x equal to 20 minus 60 by 30. This 30, only find this coordinate points on doing rough work. Okay, so this equal to z 40, so 7 multiply 40 plus 0, this must be equal to 280, right? This, and z equal to 7 multiply 30 and 8 multiply 20 equal to 210 plus 160 equal to 3, 210 370, right? 3 2, and the last z equal to 7 into 0 or 8 into 40 equal to 320. I am missing in this type question. Okay, missing type. Okay, this is missing 10, not a 8. This is value 10 unit. Okay, 7x plus 10y, this is 0 or 10, can change in 10. Okay, 10. Okay, complete. Corner point and z 7x plus 10y, corner point A 40 comma 0, B 30 comma 20, and C 0 comma 40, and z equal to 7 multiply 40 plus 10 into 0 is equal to 280. Okay, and this z equal to 7 into 30 and 10 into 20, 10 plus 200 equal to 410, and then z equal to 7 into 0 or 10 into 40 equal to 400. Okay, and already find the maximum profit and topic, determine the maximum. So this is a maximum value, right? Maximum, this is a lower, so therefore the maximum manufacturing of two type of screw, maximum package of the factory, the maximum package of the factory is this at B point 30 comma 20 is 410, maximum production 410, RS 410, but at this, so 30 and 20 means x equal to 30, y equal to 20 means A type PQ, P type 30 and Q type this, the A type 30, B type 30. Okay, that your answer. Complete the exercise. Okay, question number 1 to 5 only. Next video will be given. Okay, thank you.